As 2025 rolls along, XTI Aerospace reaffirmed its plans to reopen pre-orders for the TriFan 600 later this year and advancement towards FAA certification. The company has raised $24 million through equity offerings, started the FAA type certification process for the TriFan 600, and also formed a corporate advisory board with Michael Tapp and added Tobin Arthur as Chief Strategy Officer and Tensi Axton to the board of directors. Then, NVIDIA and AMD led losses in the broader market following Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's remarks about how President Trump's tariffs could lead to increased inflation. As for Archer Aviation, it appointed Harsh Rungta as Senior VP of Finance, bringing experience from Tesla and PwC. Luminar announced the formation of the Luminar Automotive Council, LAC, a team of executive advisors to inform the company's growth strategy and advance its mission to enhance auto safety. The council consists of industry leaders from the automotive, governmental, and related sectors with decades of experience in managing major OEMs. As the first high-performing LiDAR introduced as standard on a global production vehicle, Luminar is focused on enabling adoption at scale through its next-generation LiDAR, Luminar Halo. The council will help foster relationships with potential customers, OEMs, contract manufacturing partners, and other ecosystem players in facilitating this adoption while also advising on market trends and regulatory environment. The Luminar Automotive Council consists of prominent figures such as Dr. Dieter Zetsche, former CEO of Daimler's Board of Management and head of Mercedes-Benz, and Hanan Elaine Chao, the 24th U.S. Secretary of Labor and 18th U.S. Secretary of Transportation. In addition, there's Leo A. Brooks Jr., a retired brigadier general in the United States Army and former vice president at Boeing. Sir Ralph Speth, former CEO of Jaguar Land Rover and member of Tata Motors Board. And Matthew Simoncini, a former CEO and CFO at Lear Corporation who played an instrumental role in the company's turnaround. For more on Luminar and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.